Smoothing wrinkles on fabric and clothing in Photoshop requires subtlety and skill to prevent your final photo from looking flat and overtouched. It's best to always retouch wrinkles by hand instead of relying on AI to do it for you. The patch tool takes whole patches of pixels from one area of your image and merges them with another portion of your image. You can use the patch tool when you have many wrinkles over a large area to fix, especially if the wrinkles are crisp and defined. Step 1. Open the patch tool. To begin, grab your patch tool from the toolbar. It might be hiding behind the healing brush tool or the spot healing brush tool. Step 2. Adjust your patch tool settings. Once you've selected the patch tool, you'll see some settings for it in the options bar at the top of the application window. For this exercise, set the patch to normal and also select Destination instead of Source. The diffusion option gives you the ability to determine how much the edges of your patch will blur with the original pixels. You can play with this setting to see what works best for the image you're editing. Step 3. Select Smooth Fabric. With the patch tool, draw a selection around an area of your garment where it's not wrinkled. Then, holding down the mouse button, move that selection over an area you want to smooth. The patch of smooth material will replace the patch of wrinkled material in your area. The patch tool does something similar to the clone stamp tool, but in larger areas. It's a very simple tool to use. Knowing how much of an area to select and how much diffusion to apply comes with practice and can change from fabric to fabric. Step 4. Finalize with the healing brush tool. Once you've patched your wrinkles, you can use the healing brush tool to blend in the edges of the patch if necessary. In this image, you can see how a combination of the patch tool and healing brush tool can help patch the wrinkles in the model's pant leg. The whole process took just a few minutes. Smooth wrinkles, smooth sails. Smoothing wrinkles in clothing or fabric is a subtle art that really must be done by hand in order to get a realistic result. Once you master the tools and techniques outlined here, you'll be able to smooth wrinkles in your product images in a matter of minutes. Not enough time to master these techniques yourself? You don't have to. We can take care of your trickiest or simplest wrinkles, be it apparel, furniture, or any other product. No AI or shortcuts here. Every edit is carefully done by hand. Visit pathedits.com to learn more.